25 Rustic Small Backyard Garden Ideas Using Recycled Old Bricks. Have you ever looked at a pile of old bricks and wondered if they still have a purpose? What many people see as construction waste can actually become the foundation of a beautiful rustic garden. Recycled bricks bring timeless character, warmth, and texture to outdoor spaces while helping you save money and reduce waste. In today's video, we'll explore 25 inspiring rustic small backyard garden ideas using recycled old bricks. Whether you have a tiny urban yard, a cozy cottage garden, or a neglected corner that needs new life, these ideas will help you create a charming outdoor retreat full of personality. Let's get started. Transform old bricks into a winding pathway that guides visitors through your garden. The weathered texture adds instant rustic charm and makes even the smallest backyard feel more inviting. Stack reclaimed bricks to create raised planting beds. Their aged appearance complements colorful flowers and creates a neat, organized look without losing natural charm. Arrange old bricks in a circular pattern to create a dedicated herb garden. It's practical, beautiful, and adds a touch of old-world character. Use recycled bricks as edging around flower beds and pathways. This simple project creates clean lines while enhancing the rustic atmosphere. A small brick fire pit can become the centerpiece of your backyard. Surrounded by plants and simple seating, it creates a warm gathering spot for family and friends. If your yard has a slight slope, old bricks can be transformed into charming garden steps that blend naturally with the landscape. Protect and highlight your favorite tree with a circular brick border. The weathered bricks create a timeless focal point. Small retaining walls made from reclaimed bricks add dimension and structure while creating additional planting opportunities. Create a tiny courtyard using recycled bricks as flooring. Add a bench and potted plants for an intimate outdoor escape. Combine old bricks with reclaimed wood to create a unique garden bench that feels handcrafted and full of character. Brick planters offer durability and visual appeal. Their natural colors beautifully complement greenery and seasonal flowers. A brick herb spiral creates vertical interest in a small space while providing ideal growing conditions for different herbs. Even a small brick patio can make a backyard feel larger and more functional, creating a perfect space for outdoor relaxation. Use old bricks to frame a birdbath, fountain, or small pond. The aged materials enhance the natural beauty of the water element. Low brick walls can subtly separate garden zones without making the backyard feel closed off. Raised vegetable beds made from reclaimed bricks combine practicality with timeless style, making homegrown produce even more enjoyable. Mix different brick colors and laying patterns to create a unique mosaic walkway that becomes a work of art. Brick pillars supporting a climbing rose arch or vine-covered trellis create a romantic garden entrance. Use recycled bricks to build a cozy seating corner surrounded by flowers, creating a peaceful place to unwind. A compact brick-paved dining space can transform an unused backyard corner into a welcoming outdoor room. Create elevated brick platforms for lanterns, candles, or decorative pots to add height and visual interest. Old bricks and cottage flowers are a perfect match. The combination creates a nostalgic atmosphere full of color and texture. Even a short decorative wall can serve as a backdrop for climbing plants and provide strong visual structure. A simple brick-paved area with a bench and greenery can become a quiet retreat for reflection and relaxation. The most beautiful gardens often blend pathways, raised beds, seating areas, and decorative features into one cohesive design. By combining several of these ideas, you can create a backyard that feels larger, richer, and more inviting. Old bricks may be weathered and imperfect, but that's exactly what makes them beautiful. Their history, texture, and character bring authenticity that new materials often can't match. With a little creativity, recycled bricks can transform even the smallest backyard into a rustic garden sanctuary filled with charm and personality. Which of these 25 rustic brick garden ideas is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more inspiring garden and backyard design ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.